Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this beautiful product here. It's from Patrick Ta Beauty and it's the Major Glow Lip Shine that I got here in the shade She's Expensive in my June 2022 Boxycharm Luxe box. So that unboxing video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. But I just love trying out new lip products and I love lip glosses, and I'm excited to try out another product from Patrick Ta. I haven't tried out very many, just what I've gotten from Boxycharm in the past, but this retails for $22. So for me it's a special treat. Like, that's expensive for a lip product. This is supposed to be very moisturizing as well, which is something I'm very excited about because my lips are so dry right now. They just look terrible. They need shine, they need hydration. So hopefully this beautiful product here will give my lips exactly that. So let's go ahead and check out the applicator. Ooh, it's more of a arrow-shaped, angled applicator. Ooh, oh my gosh, this smells so good. It smells both minty and fruity, oh, and sweet, like all of my favorite lip smells or lip product smells mixed into one. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I can't stop smelling it. I love that. And let's go for a swatch. Oh yeah, clear is pretty much how this is, but so shiny. And it does have a little bit of shimmer sparkle in it as well. I think this is going to look beautiful on the lips. Let's go ahead and find out. It just glides right on, very nice and slick. The applicator is so perfect. The angle, the shape of it just makes applying it so easy. And I'm just watching my lips become transformed, not dry anymore, no more dry patches. So this really is immediately moisturizing. I'm also getting a slightly cool feeling, maybe because of that mint smell. It also feels really refreshing on the lips. And it just looks so pretty. That shine. You can barely notice any of that shimmer sparkle. It's so tiny. I think it just kind of helps enhance the shine. And it is so moisturizing that the lines in my lips look smoothed out. So it's giving that illusion of more plump lips as well. Even though this isn't necessarily like a plumping lip gloss, it's so hydrating and so shiny that it really does enhance the lips. And it's not sticky. Wow. This is beautiful. This is an amazing lip gloss. Just every feature about this is exactly what I would want in my lip gloss. The smell, the look, the feel, it is perfect. This has very high ratings online, on the Sephora website especially, and I completely agree. I can't stop looking at my lips in the mirror. I'm just loving this. It's an absolutely perfect lip gloss that I really do feel like seems like it's worth $22. Like everything about it, even the packaging. Whereas I feel like so many times I try out a lip gloss that's expensive and I'm like, I just don't get the high price point. With this, you actually get it. It's fantastic. I think it comes in 3 shades and I seriously love it so much. I would love to get this in other shades, which if you've tried any of the other shades, let me know how they are. And if you've tried this, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.